If you run tours, activities, rentals, or local experiences, you already know reviews matter. But asking every guest for a review after the trip? That is where things get messy. Your team is checking people in, answering questions, handling weather changes, managing guides, and getting ready for the next booking. So even when guests have a great time, the review request can slip through the cracks. That is where a FareHarbor and Birdeye workflow can help. FareHarbor is the booking system many tour and activity operators use to manage reservations, availability, customers, and day-to-day operations. Birdeye is a reputation and customer experience platform that can help with review requests, review monitoring, surveys, messaging, listings, reporting, and customer feedback. When the workflow is configured, booking or customer information from FareHarbor may be used to trigger follow-up in Birdeye. For example, after a completed tour or activity, a guest could receive a friendly text or email asking about their experience. If they had a great time, the message can guide them toward leaving a Google review. If something went wrong, the team can use feedback or survey routing to learn about the issue and follow up. The goal is not to spam every guest. The goal is to make the review process feel natural, timely, and easy. For operators, that can mean fewer missed review opportunities, less manual follow-up, faster awareness of guest feedback, and better visibility across locations, activities, or tour types. This is especially useful if you manage more than one location, brand, or experience. Maybe your sunset cruise is getting amazing feedback. Maybe your kayak rental team is getting questions about check-in. Maybe one location needs more review requests going out after completed bookings. With a clearer workflow, those patterns are easier to see and easier to act on. Birdeye also includes tools beyond review requests, like review monitoring, responses, surveys, messaging, web chat, listings management, and reporting. But it is important to keep the details straight. Some features are Birdeye platform features. Some workflows depend on what FareHarbor data, reports, API access, or automation tools are available. And some setup may require configuration through ConvertLocal or another approved integration path. ConvertLocal can help map the guest journey, choose the right follow-up moments, write casual text and email templates, and test the process before launch. If your tours, rentals, or activities business uses FareHarbor and you want to generate Google reviews more consistently, book a demo with ConvertLocal. We will review your current process and show you how Birdeye can fit into your workflow.